What's up, guys? I am behind the camera right now. I'm going to show my face in 5, 4, 3. Hi, guys. Right now I'm outside. It was just done raining, so wait. It was just done raining, so I'm going to be doing a little football challenge for you guys. I'm going to be throwing this football into that net. So I can't let anybody film because my sister over here can't film that well. So I tried another take of this ball. Just rained. It's actually pretty, it has air in it. Okay, ready? First attempt. Oh, nope. That didn't even make it. First attempt. I am going to be editing the numbers, okay? Maybe. Lucky, put it down. Look, Lucky. This is going to be like a chasing my dog freaking challenge. Lucky, why don't you stick it under there? Lucky, give me it. Ow! Ow! He freaking just slipped me. He slipped me. I'm filming you. Sorry, guys.
Don't worry, I can spray.
Stop!
I'll spray.
Stop. I swear to God, if you spray me, I'm going to kill you.
I'll spray you.
Stop.
I'll spray you.
It's not on, Anthony. And you better change your clothes before you go in.
Stop.
I'll spray you.
You ready? Set. Wait. Autofocus. Autofocus. Okay, good. 2. Oh! Yes! That was in. That was my third attempt. Wait, I don't. Stop, Lucky. Lucky, stop. Okay. That was my, I think, a third attempt or fourth. I think I miscounted. I think that was third attempt. Yeah, it might have been third. Yes, that was third attempt. Or unless I counted wrong, leave in the comments down below. So now I'm gonna go all the way over here. Ready? I've actually made this before, believe it or not. My dad will tell you, he's a witness. I screamed yesterday. I didn't get it on film, but it sucked because I didn't get it on film though. Okay, ready? Set. Go! Oh, no. Wow. That was first step. Actually, no, I'm not going to do this, actually. This is going to be like chasing the girl this moment. Oh, sorry, I have a song somewhere. So, I really don't know what to do right now. I'm gonna do the monkey bars. I'm gonna let my sister film. Here, wanna film?
No, I got to watch the basketball.
Here, you can film. Okay, ready? Film the monkey bars. Film the monkey bars, okay? Let me see it. Okay, film like this. Okay, ready? Film like that. Just stay right there, okay?
There he goes.
Okay, ready, guys?
There he goes.
Yeah, film me. Look. Okay, ready? I can't do the monkey bars, guys, so I kind of suck at it.
Film it.
Yeah, film the monkey bars. Okay, ready?
Go.
I suck at the monkey bars, by the way. 1, 2.
Go.
Let's get it like the third one. 2, 3. Oh, fudge. I'm losing grip. 1 more. And done. I'm done. Ow! Ow, my hands!
Here.
My hands! Ow! My hands hurt! Ow, my hands hurt! What an idiot! Ow! Wait. Okay, you can film now. Here. Okay, guys. Attempt number 2. I'm trying to get it all. Okay, ready? Film the monkey bars. Like that.
Go. He's suck at this, guys, because I don't want to know it.
That's my sister behind the camera. If you didn't know.
If you don't know, comment down below and know the comments. So I'm
No,
going
show them
to.
the monkey bars, Sienna. I'm actually pretty scared right now.
He's pretty sad, so I don't want to film.
Film the monkey bars.
Okay,
Ready?
go.
Dad, look on the footage and see if she's filming the monkey bars.
She is here, okay.
Okay. Ready? Oh my god. One. Okay, that's not so long. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Ow! Ow! Ow!
Here.
Ow! Tell me in the comments below. Well, I'm gonna edit this, so. Ow! Ow, my hands! Look at my hands! Ow! My hand. I don't think you can see it through the camera view. Wait. I don't think you can see it through the camera view, but my hands are beat. Look at that. I don't think you can see it, but right in the middle. Ah! And by the way, if you guys are wondering, I cannot dunk. Watch, ready? Oh! I can only get to this. Okay. What do I have? Okay. Autofocus. Oh, thank God. Yes. Oh, by the way, if Andrew is watching this, on our other channel, we might be doing a series called Prank Wars. We were thinking about it when he was over my house, and well, we were thinking about it at school, and he was over at my house. So we might be starting a series called Prank Wars. So